Secretary Mendoza, may estimate po ba tayo na kung ilan itong 5th and 6th class municipalities na walang telecoms access?
Actually, nang pinag-uusapan namin kanina at I think the technical people is going to do a research on this. But according to them, geographically malaki ho ito. But,
Pero there's only 1,500 or 1,600 municipalities. So, ilang kaya nito ang wala pang access? Na supposed to be, sinasabi ni Mr. Formoso, ang siyang isa sa pinakamahalagang dahilan kung bakit gagastos tayo ng 15B para maabot nga itong mga ito.
Yes, sir. We'll submit the number and the list. I don't have the exact figure.
It's only 1,005. Is it 30, 50, 100, 1,000?
I would be speculating, sir, if I can give you a breakdown of the first to the...
Galing mo magdumipensa nito, Attorney Formoso. Ngayon na tinatanong ka, ilan ba itong gusto mong silbihan itong broadband na ito? Nakalimutan mo, hindi mo alam. Ilan ba ito? I mean, there's only 1,500 municipalities. Is it 5, 10, 100? I mean, it must be so notable a number that the entire government machinery is here to defend this deal, supposed to be to reach the 4th, 5th, and 6th class municipalities that don't have telco access.
No, sir. That's not... perhaps I can explain as well, sir.
No,
That's not the only...
Excuse me, sir. My question is very simple. There are more or less 1,500 municipalities. How many of them do not have telco access at the present? Whether by landline, cell phone, satellite, or whatever.
I don't have the top of my head, sir. We'll provide it at the
And
next hearing.
that's why the credibility of this project is very low, because all of these supposed benefits, and now that you're going to be asked how many will actually benefit, we don't have the number. Now let me ask back to Secretary Mendoza, who I always smile when I see him because we were together in the cabinet. Secretary Mendoza, is it possible that actually, except for a very, very small number, the entire 1,500 more or less municipalities already are connected by telco, one way or the other? Siguro, kakaunti lang talaga. There's about 44,000 barangays. Ilang kaya nito ang wala pang telco access? I mean, is it possible ba na maliit lang ba talaga ito? Or malaking malaki?
Ang problema po, wala kaming numbers pa rito, Your Honor.
Okay.
I cannot make any
Sige.
speculation.
Ngayon, dito ho, Mr. Formoso, there are supposed to be 25,000 endpoints dito sa sistema na nakadisenyo. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Kasama yan.
Yes, sir.
25,000 endpoints. Anong ibig sabihin nitong endpoint na ito?
Basically, sir, since it's a wireless system, it's a WiMAX. Yung base station ho, yun ang nagtatransmit and receive ng signal. Yun hong customer premise equipment na yun. Yun ho yung access device. Yun yung tatanggap muna ng signal, either uplink or downlink.
Tama. Okay, so in effect, sa madaling salita, parang antena ito. Itong 25, there will be more or less 25,000 nodes or 25,000 antennas na kasama rito sa sistema nito na ikakalat supposed to be sa ating
Yes, sir.
buong
And
bansa.
just one addition, sir. That's inclusive of a VoIP phone as well, sir.
Kaya nga, so may WiMAX capability ito. Itong antenna nito, nagbo-broadcast ito ng WiMAX signal. Or ito ba ang endpoint na terminal?
Yun ho yung terminal.
Terminal ito.
Yung 300 ho, yun ho yung base station.
Okay, so itong 25,000 na terminal dito, pwede nyo bang isalaysay? Ano ba ito? May keyboard, may ano bang itsura nitong isa nitong 25,000?
Yung basically ganyan lang ho eh. Maliit na ho ngayon eh. Just enough to have a surface to receive the signal.
Tama, okay. Ngayon, so kung saan man ito, within a certain radius, lahat ng makakapag-usap dito, ito ngayon ang antena or ito ngayon ang receiver or transmitter na gagamitin nila, hindi ba?
Yes, sir.
Tama. Ngayon, sang-ayon dito sa inyong programa, ang bawat isa nitong 25,000 ito, mga government offices, government employees, government, kung ano, everything for government use ang makakapasok labas dito sa portal or sa antenna receiver transmitter na ito. Di
Yes,
ba?
sir.
Okay. Ngayon, kung pribado kang tao, makakapasok ka dyan, hindi.
Hindi, sir.
Okay. So, definitely, itong sistema na ito, masasabi natin, mag-uusap-usap within this 25,000 endpoints na ito, lahat ng mga government agencies. Di ba yan ang disenyo nitong sistema na ito?
Yes, sir.
This is government to government. Ibig sabihin, kung nandito sa Senado, may isa niyan, gustong kumausap sa isang fifth class municipality, makakarating doon ang tawag. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ngayon, ang tanong ko ay ganito, bakit natin kailangan gumastos ng 330 million para dyan, samantala sa ngayon, naaabot naman yan eh. Di ba?
Well, sir, it's the level of connectivity we now have is not the level of connectivity that we want.
In
And that
other words,
government needs.
excuse me, in other words, sa ngayon, sinasabi mo, baka nasa 4-cylinder lang ito, ang gusto natin 12-cylinder. Parang ganon. Mas gusto natin na mas mabilis, malakas.
Hindi, mas gusto natin mas functional, sir.
Well, ang point ngayon is, ang functionality nito, wala doon sa pipeline eh. Ang functionality nito, yung kakayahan ng mga kawani ng gobyerno na gamitin ito, hindi ba? Kung hindi naka-digitize ang mga datos, kung hindi naka-digitize ang mga records, walang impormasyon ng lalabas-pasok dito, hindi ba?
That's true, sir.
Okay.
But there's also the VoIP aspect to this. That
Okay,
will
so
be
balik tayo ngayon sa VoIP. VoIP supposed to be makakapag-usap na harap personalan. Parang may camera rito, may camera dyan sa iyo, makakapag-usap tayo.
not
Diba?
necessarily, sir. It could be just a regular call.
Answer. Okay, so again, kung VoIP lang, halos hindi nyo nga malaman kung ilang municipalities ang hindi pa naaabot ng signal eh. So, balik ako doon sa tanong na 330 million para lamang ang gobyerno merong exclusive. Parang gusto natin na gumawa ng isang bagong NLEX or SLEX na ang sasakay lang yung mga red plates ng gobyerno. Parang yun lang di ba? Yun ang sistema nito eh. Ngayon, ang propaganda or hindi man yung selling point na sinasabi ho ninyo ay ang kakulangan ay yung last mile. Samantala, ang laking gastusin nito, yung tinatawag na for the broadband infrastructure, will be for the main pipe. Bakit hindi na lang ba tayo gumastos ng last mile para doon sa talagang nangangailangan ng last mile connectivity?
Since we will be providing you the annexes, sir, of the contract, you will be able to see the bill of quantities as well as the design.
Alam nyo,
What I'm saying is,
ako, ang karanasan ko po, kung hindi may paliwanag ng diretso, why
no,
don't you
that's,
just answer
I'm
it?
trying to preface the answer, sir.
Well, just answer it. You
Then